Are you looking to add something extra to your home? Are you in search of the latest and greatest gadgets to bring your house into the 21st century? Well, look no further. In this video, we will be exploring 10 cool gadgets for your home that are on another level. Let's get started. Number 10. Lifx Tile. To begin, let's look at something that will illuminate your home's inside. How come the tile is so exceptional? Now obviously, there's more to it than just skin tone. The focus here is on achieving a wide range of color from a single piece of hardware. Each component includes 64 individually controllable LEDs. Thus, it is possible to configure one's own permutations. By tapping it once, you can toggle between the static color morph and flame effect modes. And by tapping it twice, you can turn it on or off permanently. Last, a group of tiles can be arranged to form any symbol or alphabetic character. Number 9. Robot Scribit. Don't miss this if you're not much of a painter, but still want to spruce up your living space with some original artwork. Beautiful artwork is produced by the robot Scribit. It only takes a few minutes for it to draw or write any picture or text you want. Dissatisfied with the outcome, it will delete the sketch and replace it with a new one. If you link Scribit to your mobile device, you'll unlock a world of possibilities, such as using your wall as a Twitter feed or perusing the newest headlines. 24 predetermined hues are included with the robot. You'll only need a vertical surface, 2 nails, and a socket. No other tools or materials are necessary. Glass, whiteboards, and plaster are just some of the materials that perform wonderfully with this method. Additionally, keep your small secret to yourself. Make them believe you're a genius. Number 8. Assemblage Modular Tech and Gadget Hub. Here is the finished product of a smart home hub that can connect a wide range of services. You can pick from many other modules, such as a 360-degree Bluetooth speaker, a G wireless charger, a 1080p projector, an extender for your wireless network, and more. You can stack the modules. That gives you the freedom to put them in whatever order best suits your purposes. The modules can also be managed using a dedicated mobile app. Set the amount of light or set up the voice assistant module to be able to see your calendar and get alerts about messages. This gadget can be used for both fun and practical purposes. Number 7. Interactive Home Monitoring Owl. It's time to check out the cutest surveillance device of the century. Don't worry, you won't feel like you're constantly being watched. If you want to know what's going on in your home, this smart home camera has got you covered with its sleek design. You can stream live video to any device, and if you need to save those memories, it has 8 GB of internal storage that can be easily expanded with an SD card. Oh, and it'll immediately alert you if there's any suspicious movement. This marvelous owl can totally understand your feelings with its eye expressions. Plus, you can get creative and style it up with the app. Remember to keep your feathered friend's battery levels up, otherwise it'll be in permanent shut-eye mode. Number 6. Kohler Smart Shower. You know you need an awesome shower every day, so why not upgrade to a digital one? This amazing shower setup has all the bells and whistles, giving you a personalized experience you won't believe. Advanced settings for steam music and light, along with different massage modes, make you feel like a king or queen. Plus, you can even create your own custom schedule so that you can wake up with a bang or relax before bed, your choice. Take command of your environment with the LCD screen or just your voice. No need to lift a finger. This product works with all the most popular voice assistants and smart home hubs. Who knew you could use technology to create your own personal jam session? Number 5. Comet Smart Nightstand. If you're attached to the nightstand that currently holds court in your bedroom, you may want to reconsider. Because this smart nightstand is about to steal its throne. Packed with cool features, this nightstand is a real powerhouse. Think of it as your own personal mini fridge. It stores all your go-to drinks, snacks, and beauty products. Plus, it also acts as a smart home hub with a multi-touch display that lets you adjust your lighting, curtains, and home temperature. If you thought this nightstand couldn't get any better, think again. It's equipped with a Bluetooth speaker and a wireless charging zone for added convenience. In the dark, you can't even find the light switch? Don't worry, this nightstand is on it. It will automatically turn on ambient lighting and help you find your way. Now that's what you call service. Number 4. Watergen GENNY. This new technology is revolutionary because it makes it possible to turn air into drinkable water without the help of God or magic. First, the air is filtered, and then it goes through a heat exchanger. This turns the air into a liquid. The water is filtered again, and then any harmful particles that are still in it are killed by a UV lamp. Every day, this process produces up to 8 gallons of clean water. This device also features a dispenser for both hot and cold water. Grab a new installation for your family or office. It'll take no time at all. How cool is that? Number 3. Shine Toilet Cleaning. No one likes to clean toilets, so it's not surprising that people often call a plumber. But now, there's a new device that can help you shine your toilet looking spick and span with no chemical cleaners or scrubbing required. It's called Shine, and all you need to do is attach 2 sensors to the water line and toilet bowl, fill it up with water, and let the magic happen. Shine works its magical cleaning power by electrolyzing the water, and it's all done automatically. Don't neglect to swap out the cleaning pods every now and then. If your toilet starts to act up, its smart AI will quickly figure out what's wrong and offer you a solution. Plus, it'll alert you to any water leaks as well. You don't have to get your hands dirty. Number 2. Smart Coffee Table Cosmo. Looking for the perfect furniture to complete your space? Then check out Cosmo, the future of coffee tables. Not only does it have a lifting design for a sleek aesthetic, but it also comes with an awesome built-in fridge and a stunning LED tabletop that syncs with your music. Plus, it's got an integrated sound system with 6 speakers that connect via Bluetooth. Get ready to revolutionize your space with Cosmo. This table is packed with tech-savvy features that are sure to make your life easier. With Google Home, you can control it with just your voice, integrating it into your smart home setup. Plus, you can customize the settings and color of the panel right from your mobile app. But wait, there's more! You'll also stay connected with 2 USB ports, a headphone jack, and 2 power outlets. So why not get one for yourself today? Number 1. Smart Home Hub Mui. This fabulously ingenious smart home interface is as natural as can be. Taking sophistication to the next level, it looks like a beautiful piece of wood. But don't let its deceptively simple exterior fool you. This movie device can do it all, from making changes to the lighting, to reading your emails and the external temperature. This marvel of modern technology is all about combining those 2 worlds of tech and nature with just a few touches. No need for glass screens here. Let's bring Mother Nature indoors and brighten up this chilly world. For more details, you can check the links in the description. That's all for today. Goodbye and take care.